Yo, good morning guys. It is now 7:15. I had my coffee. I actually wake up at 6 o'clock and I had the coffee and then I'm now feeling hungry. That's why I'm doing my breakfast. And I'm also going to reheat some of this. These are the food that Rafael cooked 2 days ago. I'm just going to take some and then reheat it. There are so many options in here, so he maybe like to eat this corned beef, or maybe this, or maybe the adobo. Yeah, that's why I'm just preparing the one that is just enough for me. Still early. There is still like 15 minutes before my duty. This is Kurt. Good morning guys. It is now 8. No, it's actually 9:05. Yeah, it's late because there is a time saving adjustment. I'm preparing my lunch, our meal. Rafael has still a lot of food in here, but I eat this yesterday lunch, and then I eat this last night. I don't want to eat that this time. That's why I'm preparing this. This is just soy, water, salt, chicken, onion, and then I'm going to put some vegetable. Yeah, there's some vegetable here. So this is going to be a pancit. And if you notice, this is my haircut, the one that I did last night. I mean yesterday. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm now going to have my breakfast, and this is it. This leftover noodles yesterday. I put some water, I put some egg, and it is now like this. I also put some vegetable and some, adjust the taste with salt, pepper, and chicken cubes. And I have this. Yeah, that's my breakfast. Oh, windy outside. We still have this beef giniling and corned beef, but I eat this last night. Yeah, Rafael cooked that 2 or 4 days ago. To 6, 38, 40, 42, 46, 42, 46, 42, 44, 45, 46. Yeah, 46 black swan. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 7:47. I'm at the moment upgrading my MacBook. This MacBook Pro is mid 2012, so look how many years is that already. But I bought it 2014, so Yeah, I bought it brand new 2014. And I bought it from Giants in Dubai. Yeah, Giants is one of the big department store supermarket in Dubai. They are located in IBN Batuta Mall. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with its MacBook Pro. Okay. Yeah, it's upgrading to Catalina. Mac OS Catalina. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are here in Newcastle in Hamilton no, Hunter Street. Yeah, you know. I just finished my duty like 1 hour ago. No, more than 1 hour, because you know the travel time from here from Nelson Bay to here is 1.5 hour. I'm actually very tired, but I didn't able to control myself and I decided to come here. That's the Anaconda and the Spotlight. Anaconda is like the, you know, outdoor shopping shop. Here in Australia, they have many branches in different parts of Australia. They have something for camping, hiking, cycling, everything about outdoors. You know, I'm feeling sleepy when I'm in the car or when I'm in the bus. Today is Thursday, so most of the shopping mall today are going to close at 9 o'clock. Yeah, we are here in the shopping center, and I bought these 2 pieces of roll, Japanese roll. I don't know the name. Yeah, but this is tuna, you know, and this is actually discounted 50% during this time, like from 3 o'clock to until they are selling their product, their items 50%. It depends. Like this one is $4, now just $2 per piece. Satisfied, very satisfied. Okay, I got the thing that I like. This is the one, and we are going home now. I don't know what time is the bus, but we're going to wait for that for sure. The next bus going to Nelson Bay is actually coming at 7:06, and you know the time now is 6:14. Yeah, I have just less than 1 hour. I mean, I still have a lot of time. We maybe are going to eat first in KFC. It is somewhere here. I want to eat something and sit a little bit for a while somewhere, but yeah, there's no place here. There's no this coffee shop. This is closed. I am a little tempted to go around there and explore the place, but I don't like the temperature today. Yeah, it's very cold and there's some annoying wind. That's why I don't like to roam around today. We are going home now. Tomorrow I will be day off. And you know, this morning I am actually late at work because I thought I am day off today. Yeah, so in the morning, around 6 o'clock, I was walking going to the bus stop because I'm going to catch the bus to come here in Newcastle because I'm going to buy this thing. Yeah, and then halfway on my way to the bus stop, Chef Matt called me and said, "Robbie, you are morning today." Yeah, and so I get back home and yeah, I took my uniform and bike all the way going to my workplace, and it took me like around 15 minutes, no, just 10 minutes to get to work. There's no any open restaurant in here. What I have seen there is just a pub. We don't go to pub, we don't drink. I actually bought a new MacBook Pro, the 2019 model, 256 GB. 8 GB RAM. The time now is 6:25 and this is how it is here. If you see those houses, okay, we go. We are now here in the Hamilton station. Yeah, we're not going through that way. Instead, we're going to go in this way. Yeah, that's the Hamilton station. And we'll be crossing to the other side. And we'll be on the bus stop later on.